stop thinking that you need a lot of money to look or feel luxurious because you don't. And here's how you can grow up as a teen on a budget. So stay tuned for the entire video to know because I'm going to break it down really well for you. Everything that I'm going to share is all out of experience because when I was a teen, I was a teen. I'm not anymore, though. But yeah, when I was a teen, I got all of the guidance from my mom and a few from the teachers and stuff like that. But my mom guided me in a lot of ways how to smell, how to carry yourself, and all of that. And that really taught me a lot. And that also gave a lot of confidence to me. So, this is basically your ultimate clean girl guide where you know how to feel confident, clean, and expensive without overspending. So, it's a win win. First thing first is hygiene because hygiene is equal to luxury and smelling good, feeling fresh, clean hair and neat nail is actually what makes you look and feel expensive. If you're not following all of these, you're never gonna look expensive no matter what big of a brand you're using. If you don't clean your hair well, don't feel fresh, don't smell good, and if your nails are not well done, I don't think any brand can make you look or feel luxurious. The second thing that I'm going to talk about is very common that all our parents keep on saying, which is a simple glow up tip, which is having plenty of water and good amount of sleep. And I think you realize the importance of it once you enter your 20s or maybe when you're closer to your 30s. I'm 25 now, and now I realize that it is so important to do so because water and sleep can actually give you a natural glow up if you follow it really well. Nowadays we have so many fancy things that actually makes you feel like having water. You can maybe have a nice detox water, or you can carry a beautiful looking tumbler that makes you feel like having water. Set reminders on your phone. There are a lot of options that you can do. And talking about sleep, genuinely saying I'm also struggling with that. But what I feel like is if we start working out, which is again a different part, but eventually, if your body gets a little bit of tired, you sleep on time. So I think that can really help. But yeah, this is another simple tip for glow up. Third thing is really important because this is where you boost a lot of confidence for yourself, and that is what to wear. A lot of us can't figure out what suits our body type, what does not suit our body type. I might just consider making another video on that, but just understanding what goes really well with your body type is really important. Whether you wear a fitted outfit or maybe baggy clothes, but if it goes well with your body type, that's how you're going to look expensive. That's how you're going to look put together. So it is really important to understand. And then it does not matter if you're wearing an expensive t-shirt or you're wearing like a 500, 200 worth of a t-shirt. Because I myself, when I was in college or also now, I keep on doing this. When I feel I like something from the streets, I just buy it. It's never like I will always go to H&M, Zara, Mango and then only buy stuff. It's never like that. If I like something, I just buy it. But it's always the way I'm gonna carry it. So trust me, this top that I'm wearing is actually from Kolaba Causeway, and it's just how you put it together. So it's never about the brands, it is always about how you're gonna carry it. So stop believing in that if you spend more, that's only how you're gonna look expensive. But that is never the case. Just try to understand your body type, and we'll figure it out together. Hopefully, let's find out some way to do that. Let's try to make another video on it for sure. When I was in my 10th grade, I used to feel like whoever applies perfume, it is because they smell. And I never realized that it can give you a lot of confidence. Once I entered my major teenage era, that's when I felt like, putting a roll on, putting a mist on or a perfume on can actually boost a lot of confidence in you, and that will change the entire scenario, trust me. So you need to always carry maybe a mini mist in your handbag, and that will change everything for you. And something that is not a very odd fragrance, something that is a little neutral and smells good, so that everybody around you loves how you smell. Okay, Apart from that, one more thing that I feel is very important that everybody just skips on, because I notice this a lot. Whenever anybody around me has a chap lip, I'm always like, you've got a chap lip. So, that is something that can also make a major difference. So, just make sure to carry your lip care. You can have a lip spa. Maybe a pocket size lip spa if you have a lot of chap lip. If not, if you just want your lips to look a little plump or hydrated, carry a nice lip gloss, lip balm, something like that with you all the time, because that can make a major difference. Trust me on that. The last segment of this video is you need to change your mindset a bit, because luxury is not just about money. It is always about how you are gonna put yourself out there. You can, again, I'm sharing my own experience. You can always own something that is very less expensive, but carry it with 100% confidence and look like your best in the entire room. I have done that a lot of times. So again, about the mindset, I have one more example, because I was attending this show of L'Oreal Professional, and there I was wearing a dress by Savannah. Okay, and it wasn't that expensive, but it looked really nice. It was a black dress, black backless dress, and I think it was around 990, 950. That's it. And I could see people around me were influencers, actors wearing their best brands, looking their best, no doubt. But I am sure I was no less. I was all confident. I was wearing my makeup on point. My hair was on point. My outfit I was carrying with confidence, because it was well fitted. It wasn't too loose, or it didn't look like it does. It was not meant for my body. It looked all in the place. So that is what matters a lot. And then I was smelling good. I carried a really nice handbag. I'm just gonna put a picture on the screen so that you see that this is a dress worth 950 or 990, something like that. But then on a bigger platform also, I could carry it with confidence. So it is all about how you carry yourself, and stop comparing yourself to anyone, because nowadays we have a lot of exposure to internet, and we just keep on comparing us to each other. This person has this person has that, they are wearing this expensive product, they're applying this expensive makeup, that is why they are looking a certain way. No, it is not the case, and it can never be the case. You just have to carry yourself with confidence, and make sure you follow these small tips that I have shared with you. Apart from this, I'm gonna make sure I make few more videos where I share some clean girl tips with all of you. So save this video, share with your friends, do subscribe, and start your glow up journey today, because this is just the beginning. We are gonna kill it together.